Hi everyone, today we are going to be talking about extended reality. Extended reality is a term that encompasses all immersive technologies, including virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. XR has the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. What is XR? VR creates a completely immersive simulated environment, while AR overlays digital information onto the real world. MR combines the real and virtual worlds to create a hybrid experience. Benefits of XR. XR has a wide range of benefits, including enhanced engagement, improved communication, and increased spatial awareness. Applications of XR. XR is being used in a wide range of industries, include gaming, education, training, healthcare, and manufacturing. The future of XR. XR is still in its early stages of development, but it has the potential to change the world. XR has the potential to make our lives more immersive, productive, and enjoyable. Challenges of XR. XR is still in its early stages of development, and there are challenges that need to be addressed before it can reach its full potential. These challenges include cost, technical limitations, and ethical concerns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.